everyone! Welcome to the channel dedicated to sharing the profound insights and wisdom of Andromedan contactee Alex Collier. If you're new here, you're in for a journey that expands your mind and consciousness, bringing you closer to understanding the messages from the fifth density Andromedan extraterrestrials. For those returning, we're grateful for your continued support. Before we dive into today's enlightening content, we have a small favor to ask. If you find value in the knowledge shared in this video, please consider hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your engagement helps us amplify Alex Collier's message, allowing us to reach a larger audience with these vital messages. We'd also love to hear from you, so please engage with the comments below. Whether it's a question, your thoughts, or even just an emoji for the sake of engagement, every comment counts. We read every single comment, and your feedback is incredibly valuable to us. Additionally, if you'd like to support us further, consider giving a super thanks tip by clicking the heart with the $sign. This small gesture allows us to continue bringing you more of Alex's messages, unfiltered and directly from his lifelong experiences with the Andromedans. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video.
Love you, Alex, says Jin K. What is the quote mechanism and criteria to be met for us to get our full memories back of past lives, etc.? Do we individually control this, or will it just happen at some point? Wondering what we are waiting for. Thanks.
Well, it's my understanding that individually one can do that, and that's by raising frequency. You know, it's by raising your frequency. And most of that is not only your real-time attitude, but the unconscious chatter that you have in your head. If you can maintain that, if you're aware of the unconscious chatter in your head, then you are able to maintain your frequency and hold that frequency regardless of what's going on around you. The other is that the frequency changing that's occurring on the Earth, that's occurring in our solar system, that's occurring with our suns, that at some point it will begin where people's third strand of DNA will turn on. And that's where our memories are stored. All of our past life, future life memories are stored is in the third strand of DNA. Once that switches on, you become the ultimate being you have always been. And some people are able to do that already, turn that on themselves. So, if I had the answer to that, I would have done it for myself. But I'm in this process just like you guys. I'm here for the ride too. So, but I appreciate your question. Thank you very much. I do.
When we are finally a real community, When we are finally a real community of one humanity, and we get to see our families from the stars, will we have the pleasure and honor to meet Morenae as well? I have a great respect for them. Thanks.
Yeah, I think so. I do. I fully expect it. He has talked for many, many years about meeting us and walking amongst us. His timing was off, but they've never known how to tell time in third density because they're not here. They've been right about their stuff, though, their facts. They just can't tell time. But yeah, I would expect it. I would fully expect that there would be a great deal of show and tell. Hi, we're your cousins. This is where we're from. This is what we're about. These are the commonalities that we share. I would fully expect that to occur. In fact, I know it will occur. I just don't know when that moment will be. So, yeah. It's going to be great. It's really going to be great. And it will be great for humanity because our humanity will finally have another perspective. You know, we will have another perspective of what other races are like. And we will learn a lot about ourselves in those moments. And we will see the good things that we have, because there will be commonalities with very advanced benevolent races. And we will understand a lot about ourselves in that moment. And we will appreciate not only what we've been through, but also how much we've grown. And it will inspire us to do more for future generations as they come along, because we're going to continue to have children. So it's all good. It's all good.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, please like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on future updates. If you have any questions relating to today's video, please also leave them below. We read all the comments and take on board what our viewers have to say about Alex Collier's work. Remember, your support helps Alex Collier's knowledge and the messages from the Andromedans reach more people. If you'd like to support the channel even more, you can give us a super thanks tip by clicking the heart icon with a $sign. It really helps our team bring you more content. Also, be sure to visit alexcollier.org to sign up for our regular email newsletter. It's the best way to stay updated with the latest news, exclusive content, and upcoming live webinars. For the latest insights from Alex Collier, check out alexcollier.live. And if you want to explore over 250 past webinars, head over to alexcollier.tv. Thank you for being a part of this journey and supporting Alex Collier's work. We couldn't do this without you, and we're genuinely grateful for your support. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the vast mysteries of our universe. If you would like to see the Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live online seminar every Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information on upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org.